Hey Mike, don't pretend my door is perfectly aligned, and actually it's not. As you can see, I have like the door is sticking out a bit. But I was following your videos about the door seals, and mine closed very well. But I noticed something on my later TD5. If you have a closer look on the seals, you see along the seal here, another one here, another one again here and here, and I believe on the top one as well. I have some holes, and most likely this is to be able to let the air out when the seal is being compressed by the door. And I have a reinforcement here. I have one here as well. That makes the door sticking out a bit, I guess. But it closed pretty well. And this is maybe you want to look at. Talk to you later.